we have arrived to the cruising mecca that is Banderas Bay. We're anchored just outside of the Cruz marina, where there are more boats than we have seen in a very long time. The community in Cruz is like nothing else, and we are so fortunate to be able to participate in many of the group events. Unfortunately, community comes with a price during these COVID times, and we all end up a little bit sick and quarantining on our boat while we're trying to arrange endless boat jobs. I'm Kate, and this is my husband Mick, our kids, Thomas and Bentley. 5 years ago, we had this crazy idea to travel the world with our kids, and never did we imagine our mode of transportation would be a sailboat. These are my parents. It's been their lifelong dream to sail across oceans. And so together, a dream was born. Come along with us as we learn, laugh,
I play with boats,
and explore. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe.
I just can't stop singing. Oh, how baby I love
you. How excited are we to be in Cruz?
very excited.
We're
Very
so excited. It feels like, well, Mick said a little bit yesterday on the way over. He said it pretty perfectly. This was a spot we picked out such a long time ago as just like a really epic cruiser's destination. And we're here. So we're going to go check out the town a little bit, go for a wander, see if we can find where laundry is, and a few other things. And then we're going to get pretty stuck into some boat work, aren't we? But it's a different kind of boat work.
Improvements.
We're not really doing it ourselves either, solely. We're gonna actually get help.
Yes.
Sewing some canvas and bending some stainless steel poles and stuff like that. A new mainsail cover sewn, and we are planning to do like a lazy jack and stack pack system so that like when we drop our sail it just like magically all falls into the stack pack and it's put away, and it's gonna be so nice. Yeah, so kids are excited to be in Cruz. We're already seeing tons of kid boats around, and it's just gonna be a good time. So we'll take you for a little wander today. You can see Cruz with us.
I'm so tall.
You are so tall. Guys, when is the last time we saw this many boats in one anchorage?
Wait, Catalina.
Oh yeah, Catalina was super busy. But there's a lot of people here.
Found the dinghy dock.
We did. It's beautiful here, isn't it? Lots of fun. What do you think?
It's very colourful and pretty.
It is so colorful and pretty.
I don't know, is that bacon in there?
Nice. Very cool. What did we get?
2 full bags of fruit and groceries.
How much was it? 176 pesos.
Yeah.
Like $12. Well, it's day one in Cruz, and we're already on the hunt for the canvas man. Mexico is super funny because when you ask for recommendations, you just basically get a first name and then you just wander around trying to find them. So that's what we're doing. We actually got quite a bit more information this time, which is unusual. That it's near the ice cream shop. I don't know, but that's the ice cream place right there. So we must be here, right? We found it. Okay, are we gonna try to talk to them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we had a very stunted conversation using Google Translate.
Yeah.
And the person she works with speaks more English, so they're gonna call us. But it looks like they're doing really beautiful work in there, so it's
does.
good.
Even if we know some Spanish, there's no way you can have a full conversation
No,
to get any
it's
work
really
done.
hard. Really hard. Anyway, and they speak so fast.
Yeah.
That's where I struggle with.
So there's no ATMs in Cruz, we just learned, and we dropped some laundry off yesterday and we have no way to pay for it. There's a town just near Cruz called Bucerias.
But it's just so bumpy.
Yeah, that's okay. Whoa! And apparently there's banks there and ATMs, so we can get some cash out. This is awesome fun.
We're going really fast. Well, we survived that. Now we just need to find an ATM. That was an event to find pesos. Now we're treating ourselves to ice cream on the beach.
We're walking in circles, looking for the bank, following Google Maps. The bank didn't exist. Found the nicest two gentlemen who we asked directions for, and they were like 100% confident. Oh yeah, just like right there. And then we went there, and then there was nothing. And then they just happened to be walking past. Did you find it? No, we didn't. Oh, okay. So go right there. Yeah, that's where we go all the time. Wasn't there.
Anyway, we did find one. Yep. Booster Uis, or however you say this town, is super cool. It's like a fancier Chicago. Anyway, we're gonna eat our ice cream, and then we're gonna bus back to our boat, which is just over there. It's a big tuna.
Oh yeah, that's a, how do they make that?
I don't know.
That is a huge tuna.
Ahí merito, Isabela. Isabela, acuérdate.
He's good at it, isn't he? Check that out.
That is so much meat.
La tripa.
On our way back to the boat, we stopped at the local fish market and picked up some fresh prawns for lunch. Epic lunch of all time. What do we have here? We have homemade salsa. This is supposed to be a cabbage avocado slaw, but we just had iceberg lettuce. And check this out. Yum! We're gonna make shrimp burritos. Are you ready?
Yup. My wrap.
Very good.
Homemade, homemade, homemade.
And you put lime. I can taste the lime.
Yeah, there's lime. You like it?
Yeah.
You're just gonna eat shrimp, or you're gonna have a wrap?
Dreamers of the shore.
We were so lucky that we got to see baby day-old turtles and release them into the ocean. It was amazing, and all thanks to the La Cruz Kids Club.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore. It's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Okay, feels like we're making some progress. We got a quote for our mainsail cover. I think it was like $300 Canadian or something converted, which is great. We're really happy with that price. And it was like $1,500 to get the stack pack made. So we've decided to do lazy jacks and a sail cover. Just is a lot simpler. We know it's gonna work. We can take in our old sail cover and he'll use that as a template. We found someone that's able to do the stack pack for us with like a 10-day lead time, which is amazing. The only thing is that's making us a little uneasy is the way he does it is he actually encases the boom, and we've just never seen a stack pack like that. Normally they kind of attach the top of the boom between where the foot of the sail is and the boom, so it's a little bit different. So we're still trying to decide if we want to do a stack pack and lazy jacks or just lazy jacks and a sail cover, get our sail cover remade. We just had a guy come out and measure up for our bimini. We've played around with so many different designs, so you'll just have to wait and see what it looks like in the end, because I'm not even really sure where we've landed. Our kids woke up this morning with runny noses and a little bit of a cough. I think we're just around way too many people. La Cruz is very busy. There's tons of kids around. And like, our kids haven't been sick, colds or anything through COVID because of all the mask wearing. Then like, we've been so isolated the last year. Pretty sure it's just a cold. We'll give it a couple days. We might have to get them tested for COVID, but I think right now we're just sort of isolating on our boat. And not only that, I am isolating them in their bedroom because I don't want to get sick. How's it going in here? It's very dark. Doing all right in your little isolation room?
Yeah.
You feeling okay?
Yeah.
You're good boys.
I
Drinking lots of
stole
water.
this water bottle last night, and you're not drinking it from it anymore.
No, I don't want to drink from it anymore. I'm glad you're drinking lots of water.
Mwahaha.
So we finally decided what we're doing for our bimini. Do you want to explain it?
We did. We went
We're getting
back.
rid of this ghetto sunshade. Ghetto, ghetto.
We went back and forwards many times.
Oh, that was close. I don't know how that didn't fall in.
Did you were on my face saying you should slow-mo in on that? Ooh. Yep, all this square stuff is disappearing, and we're gonna have a traditional bimini. We're gonna put some cutouts of clear in here. I don't know what the material's called, so we can actually see where the wind's coming from.
When we're steering?
Because right now it's like trying to see the wind indicator, and that's just awkward. That's not comfortable. Yeah, we're also replacing our lifelines.
You've wanted to do this for so
I have
long.
wanted to do this for so long.
I mean, we've only owned the boat for a year, but...
From our arch all the way to halfway on the boat, these are coming off, and we're getting welded 1-inch solid rails.
On both, top and bottom?
Top and
What?
bottom.
I didn't know that.
Yep.
It's gonna be brilliant. Nice job, man. And how much is that costing us for the metal?
For the metal, the 3 hoops, and to weld 8 pieces of railing in, it's about $1,000
It's crazy, isn't it? Canadian.
Canadian.
It's exciting.
That's what's happening.
We're gonna have
But-
such a fancy boat.
Yeah. So they're just supplying the hoops, and then to save costs, we'll be able to then install it all.
Yeah.
Just with connectors and brackets, so they don't have to do that.
Sweet, man.
Happy.
Good morning.
Oi!
What are you working on today?
I am pulling things out of cabinets and then putting them back in again. I'm running the wires for the new solar panels that we're going to install.
You haven't even shown anyone your new solar panels. And because we lost so much footage, they don't even know about our solar problems.
Oh yeah.
So do you want to quickly summarize? Why are we adding more solar?
We are adding more solar. During our summer up in Canada, the days were really long, the sun was high and straight down, and we just had an abundance of energy coming in. The batteries were always completely charged, no matter what we were doing during the day, what we were running, fridges, freezers, everything. And now, as we come down the coast, Mexico has heaps of sun, but because it is around Christmas, which means it's winter time, the days are a lot shorter, and that has dramatically reduced our energy intake.
Which it's actually crazy how much it's changed.
Yeah, the days are full of sun, but it's still not enough. It's just not getting to the right angle. So we have 800 watts of solar power now, and the most I ever see is 400 for only a couple hours of the
Coming
day.
in.
Yeah, and that's only for a couple hours a day, so the batteries just aren't getting charged enough. So we ordered another 400, and I'm going to use the old solar charge controller that came with the boat, but I got to run new wires through everything now. Freaking wiped. I don't know what's going on. The kids were sick a few days ago, just with a snuffly nose, bit of a cold. And now we're starting to feel a bit crummy. Just exhausted. Yesterday I felt like I drank like a gallon of water. We're booked into the marina in a couple of days to get some stainless steel work done. But we're going to add 400 watts of solar to the existing 800, so we'll have a total of 1200. Today I'm just running wires. I've got to rebuild the frame up top and take all the other stuff down. We're just going to wait and do that in the marina because it's a bit sketchy doing that in the anchorage. It rolls around a bit. But it's just tiring. Running wires through a house is a pain in the ass, but doing that on a boat, everything has to come out of cabinets and there's just nowhere to put it, and lying on the floor with my arm in the bilge, it's just uncomfortable.
What's for dinner?
We're gonna have taco bowls tonight. And we've got homemade salsa, guacamole, rice and chicken. It's pretty simple.
Smells delicious.
The chicken is on the bone, so we gotta rip it off and then dice it up.
I was just putting the dinghy away, hoisting it up. Whoa! As you can see, the boat's rocking around a bit. It was kind of difficult. Yesterday I said I was pooped. Today we're still pooped. What is this, 4 or 5 days now on the boat? Just resting?
We've all been a little under the weather with no real
5.
direct symptoms other than,
We're
we
cold
just don't feel great.
and tired.
So we're kind of isolating from the world.
Yeah, the boys seem to get up.
You're better.
They got over it pretty quick.
If you're interested in supporting the production of these videos, please head on over to our website. There are 2 great ways to show your support. Check out our Meraki merch in the shop, or hit that support button and help keep us afloat.